Hello mga ka-fam, welcome back to our channel. This is our third and fourth day here in Thailand. On our third day, we went to Pattaya City, a place full of energy, colors, and of course, beach vibes. As a matter of fact, we took a dip in the warm waters, soaking up the tropical sun, and treated ourselves to mouth-watering Thai delicacies. The authentic pad Thai was absolutely unforgettable. It was rich, flavorful, and so different from what I've had elsewhere. Street food in Pattaya is an experience in itself. And look at my pictures. Pasensya na, naisingit naman ang mga pictures na yan kasi alam nyo na. And of course, the food no that we have eaten there in Pattaya. Actually, there's plenty of it. Yan lang ang na-picture natin. So I was able to swim there in Pattaya. That's the view from the building. Sa harap mismo ng Pattaya yan. So we went there for a comfort room at saka nag-withdraw na rin. And then that's the uh, Starbucks po yun sa Pattaya. And that's the view, no? Habang kami ay papunta sa ibang lugar, ayan, na nakunan natin, na videohan natin ang Pattaya City. After that, we went to the Big Buddha. Sa taas po yan. Funny story, I was wearing shorts that day, which are not allowed at the temple. Thankfully, I had a tool with me which I used to respectfully cover my legs. A quick fix for a meaningful moment. Not realizing the dress code required covered legs. Luckily, I was able to solve the problem. And honestly, it became a cute little story to remember. Ayan yung tool na kinover ko sa aking shorts para makapasok. Mabuti na lang talaga, may dala ako. We also visited the Central World. Nag-skywalk kami para marating yan. And then, had some Starbucks coffee afterwards. Then came one of the most unforgettable highlights, the Maiklong Railway Market. We stood in awe as vendors pulled back their umbrellas and displays just in time for the train to roll through. Then, as if nothing happened, everything was back in place with seconds. It was like watching a live performance. Yan po, sabay-sabay nilang may ano siya, may palatandaan sila. May tutunog na parang sirena tapos sabay-sabay silang magpo-pull out ng kanilang umbrella. Then hahayaan lang nila na makalagpas yung tren na yan. Tapos sabay-sabay at sabay-sabay talaga din nilang ibabalik yan. It was one of the most impressive examples of local rhythm and resilience I've ever witnessed. Kita nyo naman halos kadikit na ng mga katawan namin ang tren. Habang inaantay nyo makalagpas yung tren, tuloy-tuloy lang din sa pamimili yung mga turista. Kasi yung gilid na yan nga, puro pamilihan yan ng iba't ibang klase ng paninda. May pagkain, may mga damit, lahat na yata, mga souvenirs nandyan. So, habang dumadaan yan, yung tren na yan, namimili din ibang turista. Actually, mga kasama ko bumili ng pagkain, namimili ng prutas, and everything. O, yan na. Sabay-sabay din, basta pagkalagpas lang, pag nalagpasan ka na ng tren, ayan na, ibabalik na nila yung kanilang umbrella. Hanggat sa matapos yan. Ayan, may oras yan. Yan yung parang pinakaabangan ng mga turista dyan eh. Balik. Parang we also visited the floating market. Ayan po, walang video so picture-picture muna pero masaya ang experience din dyan. We also had a chance to visit the Bubble Forest Cafe. Napakaganda ng place, para kang nasa fairy tale garden. At ito ay napaka-instagrammable ang sabi nga nila. Lagi ko itong nakikita sa Facebook, sa TikTok at kung saan-saan pang social media. Kaya sabi ko, puntahan talaga natin ito kahit medyo malayo. Diyan na kami nag-lunch at again, trinay namin yung mga pagkain o mga delicacies ng Thailand at masasarap naman din talaga. Ah, ayan no, sobrang sarap ng mga pagkain nila. And marami pong turista dyan, mga Filipinos karamihan. Mga kapitbahay pa nga namin dito. Nakakatuwa. At yan, sinamantala ang pagkakataon na maka-slow mo si Mayora. Kasi wala lang, natutuwa lang ako talaga sa lugar. Napakaganda po niya. Kaya may slow mo pa siya. Now this is in Chang Poak Camp. One of my colleagues had a heartwarming encounter feeding an elephant. Ayan, natutuwa si Mario.
This is at Icon Siam.
And finally, we wrap up our day at the luxurious Icon Siam. We arrived at night and the lights, ambience, and river views were nothing short of magical. We explored not just Icon Siam but also the nearby malls. And yes, we managed to get some handsome pictures to remember the night by. Thailand gave us a beautiful mix of culture, adventure, food, and fun.
Ay, sorry.
Every place we visited
Si Mario
had
pala.
its own charm, and every moment a story to tell. So, yan na po yung Icon Siam. And then, ayan, nakapagpa-picture ulit kasi kakulay ko ang paligid ng aking kasuotan. Thank you so much mga ka-fam. And please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates from me or from us. So that's it. Thank you so much.